Hi guys, Pokeside 101 and welcome to another Angry Birds Star Wars 2 5 level freakout. And last time I know we did 7. I didn't realise it was 14 minutes. Whoops. Or was it 12? I'm not sure. So we are only going to do 5. Sorry about the glitching in the adverts, which I did not notice. I might cut the adverts out. Whoa! I'll need to do that later. Right, so let's continue. Right, we were here. Okay, let's do this. We're a Jedi Padawan, okay? Oh, okay. I've got a plan. Oh, I shouldn't have used it. Oh, that was good. I don't like the weird pigs there that just fell off. Okay, let's. Okay, that looked pretty cool. And that's that. Okay, we've done that. Don't have any teleports, can't use that, which is annoying. Oh well. Oh, I should have. Oh, I'm gonna go get that money. We are not gonna miss with my favorite. Come on. I'm running. Oh, you actual. Oh man, that's annoying. Do I replay that? Get the money. Why not? Also get another level. Okay. I'm gonna get the money, then leg it. Get the money. Get the money. Get the money. Get the money. Oh, do I just scrap the money? Alright, this could be not wise, but oh, that was pretty good. Nah, do you know what? We're scrapping it. Sorry about that fail. Oh well. Whoa, it's like a weird tank thing that's not moving. What's this? No. Who should we go with this guy? Alright, I'm gonna chuck him overhead, shoot that bit. Oh, yeah, why not? Cool. Oh, that was. I really don't like that tank. Let's take it. Oh, my last one. Let's do this. Alright, the tank's going. Tank's crushing its own kind. Alright, just break that bridge. Yes, tip, yes. And yes. That was pretty good. Yes! That was very good. We didn't get any money. We need 999. Wait, did I say 900? No, 999. We need. Okay. Wait, what do? This is like third level. Okay. Oh, it's another fan. Fan of glue. I feel like doing this. We're gonna go straight over his head. No. Wolf. Oh, I'm pretty sure that pig should have hit the other pig. Ah, helicopter. Oh my god, they make some pretty cool stuff on this game. We've had a helicopter, a car, okay. Go into the sort of. Oh, we can't use Doom, we've already used Doom. Oh well, let's sing one of Carbonated Handsome. I feel like it. Icinate. Oh, I should not have done that. All I did was icinate. Oh well, still works. Cool. No, Han Solo, don't go in there. Don't. What? He's not. The ice until we're not breaking. Wait, what? Yes. Okay. How much levels is that? I was like, how long does... You... Oh, I really should have checked when it started. Ah. Okay. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, I don't... No. No. Oh! I know what we have to do. Gotta hit that TNT. You were perfect. Oh. Loads of vehicles. I thought that was gonna like dry or something. Man, they're really annoying, the old Star Wars Battlefront game which I've played. Really, I actually played it today. Oh, I did not notice that giant bird in the background. Pretty cool. Oh, is that like an Emperor Pig? Bye bye, Emperor Pig. You can die. Oh, I thought that wasn't gonna... Oh, the money! Oh, I forgot about the money again. Oh well. We forgot the money. But oh well. Because we have to get money another time. We need more money. Why are there like little pigs? Oh, stupid adverts. Why are there so much? Sorry if they're glitching again. I can't actually see them glitching while I'm filming this. Boop. Okay, anyway. Oh no, I know who. No, I used up all my handfuls. That would have been like the best. You're going straight through the middle. Or not. That worked. No, it didn't. I was being sarcastic. Maybe. Jar Jar. Jar Jar Bing. Hit the TNT. Oh, it's shaking. But not enough. Have we got 30? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, okay, this was pretty cool last time. Got an audio. Woohoo! That's so cool. It even sounds like a lightsaber, even though it's not a lightsaber. Oh, I bet the lightsabers sound like lightsabers. Meh. Well, now it says we got 30. What is happening? See, that's what I want. I can't actually show you, because, see that? See that? That, yep. I don't have enough. Money's up there. Don't have enough. What does this guy do? I haven't used him. He's got a helmet. Aha. Splits. Not as good as the little guys. The little guys are so good. Oh, yeah, I should have known, because he's the blue, and the blue splits. Wait, so is the other one blue? The other one splits into 3 anyway. It's just... What is it? Oh no, is that a blue? Probably. Get pistol time. Get the money! Woo! Still not enough. Definitely not enough. We need to... Is there like a way you can get loads of money at once? Right. See, this is how bad he is. He's like my favorite. He starts at 3. Release the beast. Oh, I've got loads. Are they shrunk? Are they shrunk? Oh no. That bird is so cool. Is he are we like East Island or something? We got a present. Please have money in the present. I don't think there is. Oh well. Alright, wait. We started at 8. Wait. Alright, we started at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please. Cool. Okay, let's just last one. It is the last one. What is that? Where's that bullets coming from? Don't know if you can see that little weird, but who do we just get? I don't want to use that first one because she looks strong, and I don't have another one. I'm gonna ruin it. Oh well. Oh, that did not sound like Kid Fister. This, no. All the money. Do you see that bullet? That. What is that bullet coming from? Is the Emperor dude shooting bullets? I've not noticed that. Right, we're going down, mister. Emperor dude dead. Slap him in the face, yes. Pig with a fork, yes. All falling down the door. Alright, I'm mumbled. Whoops. Right, that's it. Come on. Oh no, it wasn't coming from the... Oh, it's in the background. Can you see that? Look, those little... Yeah, what are they shooting at? I didn't notice that. Thought that would actually injure me. I score. Yes. Get money for high score? Nope. How many? Oh. This level is locked. Oh, I could actually buy that. No. I'm saving it. I'm a Jedi's apprentice. Okay. Did these get money? Let's get money. What have we... Jango Fett. What do we win? Is any of the rewards money? I do not think so. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay. All I can say for now is Pokezoid out.